Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of meal prep, specifically for busy students who still want to eat healthily. This is Nourish Nation, where we focus on quick, nutritious, and easy-to-prepare meals. If you're juggling classes, work, and social life, this one's for you. First up, let's talk grains. Cook up a big batch of brown rice or quinoa at the beginning of the week. These grains are a fantastic base for bowls and salads. They're full of fiber, keeping you full and focused through those long study sessions. Simply portion them out to use as needed throughout the week. Protein is key for staying energized. Try prepping grilled chicken, tofu, or beans. Season them with your favorite spices or sauces. Once cooked, store them in the fridge or freezer in portion-sized containers. It's easy to grab and go whether you're hitting the library or the gym. Next, vegetables, a crucial part of any meal. Chop up peppers, carrots, and broccoli, then roast them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roasted veggies are versatile and can be added to any meal. Consider making a large salad that can last a few days. Keep the dressing separate to prevent soggy greens. Don't forget healthy snacks. Prepare some trail mix with nuts and dried fruits, or cut up fruits like apples and oranges. These are perfect for quick energy boosts without the sugar crash. Breakfast can also be prepped ahead. Overnight oats are a lifesaver. Mix oats with your choice of milk or yogurt, add some seeds, nuts, or fruits, and let them sit overnight in the fridge. By morning, you'll have a delicious breakfast waiting for you. Just a quick tip, invest in some good storage containers. They'll keep your food fresh and ready to eat. Plus, having everything organized makes meal prep far less daunting. There you have it. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With these tips, staying nourished is easy, even with a packed schedule. Thanks for tuning in to Nourish Nation. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with fellow students who might need a little meal inspo. Until next time, happy prepping.